Manufactured on the southern shore of Hangzhou Bay, within the national civilized town of Ximen, shines Ningbo ShunYun Electronics Company Limited, a leader in intelligent control system technologies. Established in 1989, Ningbo ShunYun Electronics Company Limited shines as a radiant star on the southern shore of Hangzhou Bay, occupying 50 mu, approximately 33,000 square meters of land with nearly 30,000 square meters of modern standard workshops and employing a workforce of 550, including over 80 professional technicians. We specialize in the research and development and manufacturing of intelligent control systems. The intelligent control systems developed and produced are mainly applied to products such as ventilated and heated car seats, robots, power tools, floor sweepers, range hoods, integrated stoves, dishwashers, microwave ovens, steamers, ovens, integrated steamer and roasters, water purifiers, gas alarms, and more. Through 3 major product upgrades, we have built strong technical expertise in touch control, sensor control, inverter control, and related fields. As an authorized drafter of China's National Standard Guidelines for Quality Safety Improvement of Intelligent Consumer Products and the Zhejiang Defined Quality Standard for Integrated Cooktop Inverters, we hold multiple patents and maintain industry leadership. Our company builds a professional management team integrating research and development, process engineering, delivery, quality, production, and sales. We implement dedicated line production management, constructing multiple production lines for partners, including Voltile and Marsinger. Proactively adopting excellence in performance management, we built a smart digital factory and implemented lean systems. Committed to a zero-defect quality control, we drive robust development milestones. Taking the initiative, we deployed enterprise resource planning, ERP, manufacturing execution systems, MES, and warehouse management systems, WMS, to enforce full process standardization. Leveraging our accredited lab system, we ensure high-quality product delivery. With over 100 new products developed and 20 patents secured annually, we strengthen core competitiveness, pursuing our mission, leading provider of intelligent control system solutions. Through steadfast compliance with the certification systems, we have earned national honors including National High-Tech Enterprise, National Specialized, Refined, Characteristic, and Innovative Little Giant Enterprise, National Intellectual Property Advantage Enterprise, National Work Safety Standardized Enterprise, Grade 2, Zhejiang Patent Demonstration Enterprise, Zhejiang Famous Brand Product Enterprise, listed in Ningbo Top 100 Competitive Enterprises, Yuyao City Mayor's Quality Award. Thanks to exceptional quality and service, our products are certified to International Automotive Task Force 16949, IATF 16949, China National Accreditation Service, CNAS, China Quality Certification, CQC, Underwriters Laboratories, UL, Verban der Elektrotechnik, Electronic and Informations Technique, VDE, and IECEE, CB Scheme, CB, among others. They win wide market recognition for their safety, eco-friendliness, health-driven design, smart technology, and more. We invest heavily in research and development and innovation, operating a Zhejiang Provincial Technology Research and Development Center and a Provincial Postdoctoral Research Workstation. Through dedicated innovation, we have achieved a paradigm shift in smart manufacturing. We maintain strategic partnerships with top Chinese brands Voltile, Marsinger, Intiv, and Roban, and serve as a global supplier to renowned enterprises including Teka of Spain, Hatsu of Korea, and Panasonic of Japan, collaborating to create happy home living experiences for millions of families worldwide. For over 30 years, guided by our core values, virtue of people, character of enterprise, excellence of products, three qualities in unity, we have evolved from a family workshop of fewer than 10 people to an exemplary enterprise in smart control systems, setting industry standards for quality and trustworthiness. We established Yuyang City's first Common Prosperity Assistance Charitable Fund, founded and constructed Zhanglei Primary School in Guizhou, and supported pandemic relief efforts. Through these tangible actions, we advance common prosperity, give back to society, and demonstrate a social responsibility stewardship of private enterprises.